Every day, millions of people step through elevator doors without a second thought, expecting that they will open and close at exactly the right moment. That trust, the confidence that someone or something is paying attention, is a silent promise of safety we at Adams Elevator take seriously. Our CabSafe, easy-to-mount light curtain system reliably detects people approaching or between elevator doors. It fulfills all key door detection code requirements, and then some. At its core is a three-part intelligence system working in harmony. First, the CabSafe controller, your centralized command center that manages signals from the sensors, performs logic, and can render the system inoperative as needed. Second, the 2D light curtain, a matrix of crisscross infrared beams guarding the space between the doors, works on static or dynamic installations. This monitors activity between the elevator doors. Third, the 3D time of flight, or TOF sensor. This state-of-the-art infrared imager detects people and objects in front of the cab before the doors even begin to close, reducing the risk of accidents. Whether it's center, left side, or right side opening installations, in new builds or modernization projects, the system is designed to adapt. Flush or surface mount options keep your installation clean and flexible. At the end of the day, safety isn't just about the parts you see. Smarter sensing, safer rides. CabSafe by Adams Elevator. Learn more at adamselevator.com/cabsafe.